Today's video is all about decorating a really fun arrangement for your entryway. I'm going to show you step by step how to make this. It's so easy. I promise you, you can do this at home. Smash that subscribe button because we have so many new videos that are going to be coming out. Some of them are short and sweet like today's video, and some of them are very, very interesting. We're getting ready for Christmas time and you're going to want to see what we're doing. So the question of today's video is, tell me, are you traditional orange pumpkin or do you like the Chinoiserie pumpkin that we've done here with the blue and white? I love the mixture of the two and adding the fall leaves. So tell me, is this something you're gonna try at home? I'm gonna show you how to jazz this up with some round top for fall. So easy to do. All you gotta do is start with a cute little container like we have here with our blue and white Chinoiserie from, you guessed it, Amber Marie and Company. And then these potted ferns. Now you may have seen our video for 4th of July where I showed you how to put faux geraniums in here, spraying with a little bit of Krylon clear coat, and they lasted all summer. I just literally took them out yesterday, and now I'm gonna change over to some really pretty fall. And it starts by just taking a little fall pumpkin like this, and this little blue and white. Look how cute that is. It has glitter on it. I love this. I would spray it with some Krylon clear coat. It's just gonna last season after season if you do that. That's gonna be our first little guy right here, right down front and center. I'm gonna take about 3 to 4 inches back behind that little guy, right in here. Little blue right there, a few inches back, just building a little bit of height. And now I'm gonna come with 2 coordinating pumpkins. These little guys right here, a little bit larger in size. So this guy's my smallest. I've extended the poles to a full size here. Poke this little guy out again 3 to 4 inches behind where he looks really cute. And then this little guy, different little pattern in some blue and white on the side, just like this. Got a little bouquet working, and then my final one is gonna be right here, all the way in the back. And remember, I'm putting everything about 3 to 4 inches back. I don't want everything to be so super crowded. I'm giving a little bit of space and a little bit of room for everything to breathe as I create this arrangement. So I'm gonna move this one over just a little smidgen. We're not done yet. We need to add some stems. I'm gonna add just a couple of these right down here. Most of the time, I'll actually clip these and then stick them straight into the dirt. But for my video's sake today, I'm just going to kind of lay them in, and I'm gonna have them kind of cascade out the bottom here. So I'm gonna take those and I'm kind of going to mix them in and bend them so everything is kind of cascading. I don't want it to just be like a flat pick that's just stuck in there. I want to kind of rearrange some of my leaves and some of my greenery so it really looks like it's just freshly growing out. Come over here to my other side, just the same, just like this. Let them kind of cascade down and out of your flower pot just a little bit, mixing in that fern leaf that you already have in your pot. So it looks really, really pretty and really natural, like the leaves are just growing straight out, which is what I love. This really pretty stem that I'm adding is called a maple leaf, and the color is amber. I'm just gonna take these and poke them right down here. Now I want this stem to add a little height in my arrangement back here. So I'm finding a good spot in the dirt. And I'm just poking that right in there, adding a little bit of height here. Orange behind that blue and white Chinoiserie. That's really gonna make all of that pop. I'm gonna take this pick and do the same thing on this side, adding that orange right here to add that pop of orange. I just love it. Now, a little bit of curly vine. This is called a moss twig hanging spray. And what I like about this is it's just gonna add that vine. So like, you know, pumpkins, they grow on a vine. So this is our little homemade pumpkin patch. And I'm gonna stick that vine right back here, right in the middle of my arrangement. And that's one nice part about using stems from Amber Marie and Company is, you know, you get a lot of bang for your buck. So I'm grounding it in there, sticking it into the dirt in my pot. Now I'm just gonna take these beautiful vines and I'm just gonna kind of mix them in and out and around. So all this vine literally looks like it's just naturally growing. Take this one, cascade it down. Look at that, so pretty. You gotta fix it, you know? You gotta make it look like it's naturally growing. This is an arrangement, it's a working piece of art. You're gonna move, you're gonna tweak, you're gonna change things around just a little bit. Last 2 stems, these cute little pumpkins, look at this. So this is called the Vintage Mini Pumpkin Spray, and this color is called Antique Brown. Adding these stems in, mixing it right into the dirt. There we go. And that just adds a little bit of an interest here. Repeat this on the other side. And I like to add this in with my leaves because that leaf kind of gives it a base. Just gonna mix that just around just a little bit. That looks really pretty intertwined. Last is gonna be ribbon. I'm gonna use this really pretty fall ribbon that has some blue in it. Now we're gonna take this little stake and stick it right down here. Let our ribbon cascade out and down. There we go. I'm going to use this little stake right here. That's what I'm going to attach my ribbon to, and 2 zip ties. Base of my bow is going to be this really pretty ribbon. I love it. It has orange. It has some blue in there. Considered using and doing like some chinois ribbon in here. But for this video, I'm just going to show you here. I'm doing a 3-loop bow. Cut that tail. And I'm going to come in with a really pretty blue and a really pretty orange mixed in here with it. My next color is going to be this really pretty blue. See how that complements so well together? I love it. Starting with my little strand right up here. Opposite. I'm going to do my little twist here so that my pretty side stays out on my ribbon. Adding it in just like this. This is going to look so cute on your entry. We have some of the best ribbon here at Amber Marie Company. We use good quality ribbon. It's really nice gauge wire in it. The fabrics are also beautiful. And don't forget, guys, if you're going to have this directly in the sun, Krylon clear coat on this. A little spray will go a long way. In fact, I would spray every single piece of this before I put it in. And then we're going to pop that bow right down here, just like this. So I'm going to use my zip tie here, come around the middle of that bow, right here, secure all those little guys in there. Before I get that too tight back here, I'm going to add my second zip tie right over here. Okay, tighten that up, get it nice and tight. And I'm going to use that second zip tie to secure my bow, and that's what's going to help that stick in that pot. Gonna clip all these edges so they look nice and finished. Got my good ribbon scissors, y'all. Good ribbon scissors make all the difference. How pretty is that? I'm gonna take that bow, fluff it just a little bit. I'm gonna add it right down here. Just sticking that stake right down into my pot. Putting something right next to your entryway on your front porch is just a beautiful way to welcome guests and welcome in the season. It's still hot outside right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, but we think if we start putting this stuff out, it like wills the cooler weather. So bring on the coolness, the fall, the pumpkin spice lattes. I'm ready for it. I don't know about you, but this is one of my favorite ways to bring in the season, and that's just by starting with my front porch, using these ferns that are already there. I've nurtured them all spring, all summer. They're gonna go through fall, and they're gonna be a beautiful backdrop just like this. Don't forget, smash that subscribe button and stick around because we are about to release our video all about Amber Marie Manor, and I know you're gonna wanna check it out. So get ready, it's gonna be a beautiful fall season.